Hi guys, this is our recording. Attach power supply to the mixing desk. That's your first step. That's me doing it. Now I've done it. Then attach the red and black mono jacks into main out. Attach the microphone to the XLR lead. Then attach the XLR lead to the mixing desk. Over to Andrew.
Attach power lead, turn on power.
Alright. Alright, gotta make sure all the audio is correct. And you wanna hit R here. Yeah, change the name of your audio to whatever you want it to say. Now you wanna set your preferences. Alright. Now we're pretty much ready to go.